Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can enable the dark mode in our Google Chrome browser. And we can do that by simply following the process that I'm going to show you. So make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. So let's open first our Google Chrome browser. And the idea behind or the reason behind enabling the dark mode of our Google Chrome browser is to reduce the light emitted by the screen. So in here we can do that by going to the URL section and type there Chrome. Now type colon and then double forward slash and then flags. It's Chrome colon forward slash and then flags, and then you can now hit on enter and you will see here the flags. So all you have to do is just select the search flags button here and then go click on or type dark. And the moment you do that, you will see the option that says Auto Dark Mode for Web Contents. Automatically render all web contents using a dark theme. You can use this or you can do this in the Mac, Windows, Linux, and Chrome OS or Android. So to do that, all we need to do is just to click this drop down button here. So by default, it is set as disabled. So let us enable this one just by clicking this drop down button, and you will see many options here. So we will click on the enabled option, and the moment you do that, you will see this notification in the bottom part of your screen. Your changes will only take effect the next time that you relaunch Chrome. So we have an option to relaunch it, so just click on it to enable it, and then the moment you do that, it will automatically relaunch your Chrome browser, and you will see that when you're back with the Google Chrome browser, you will see that you're in the dark mode now, and you will see that the option for the dark mode or the settings for the dark mode is already set to enabled. And the moment you search for something, you will see that your tab here is already in dark mode. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.